channel. So if you like today's video, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now let's get into today's video. Okay, so for today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be doing a Mikasa inspired makeup look from Attack on Titan. So I just have my eyebrows done and my foundation on. Now I'm still gonna do the face. So I'm gonna apply my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. I'm gonna apply that with my Sonia Kashuk concealer brush. I'm just gonna go under the eyes first. I need to get a little bit more on. I'm gonna go on the nose, and then any blemishes that fell through. To blend that in, I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and just buff in the concealer. I'm gonna first set the concealer. Just under the eyes. e.l.f. blush brush, and take my Honest Beauty cream blush in the color Coral Peach. I'm going to first apply this to the cheeks. Then I can set everywhere else with my Catrice Baking and Setting Loose Powder and my Morphe Big Fluffy Brush. QC Makeup Academy Contouring Palette. I'm going to take, let's see, this shade in the middle. I'm going to take my old-fashioned Big Fluffy Brush. Tap off the excess. And I'm going to apply it only in the cheek area. Okay, for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use my Burt's Bees eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use two palettes today, so I'm going to use the, okay. I'm going to go in with my Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to take Burnt Orange, which is this one here. I'm going to take my e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to apply that in the crease. And do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to use my Sephora blending brush just to blend the edges. I'm going to take Cyprus Umber. I'm going to take this shade, and I'm going to apply that in the outer corner, and then in the, I kind of messed up a little bit. And then in the inner corner, let's do it better on this side though. So in the outer corner, and then in the inner corner. So with my blending brush, I'm going to take Cyprus Umber again, and I'm just going to blend the edges of the Cyprus Umber that we just placed. Okay, so now that this eye is fixed, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced I Want Candy palette, and I'm going to take Sparkling Cider. I'm going to apply that right in the middle. Okay, so what I did off camera is I applied Sultry from the Soft Glam palette, which is this color, right on top of Sparkling Cider. For lashes, I'm going to put on my Benefit Roller Lash mascara, and then we are going to put on some lashes. Actually, I forgot my lash glue. So actually, yeah. I'm gonna put on the top pair of lashes. So I'm gonna come back with okay, so lashes are on. It took me a long time to get them on, but they're finally on. Oh my goodness. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply my red lipstick. I don't know the brand name because it ripped off, and yeah, I got this from Amazon, so I don't really remember. So I'm gonna use, to apply it, my old-fashioned lip brush. So to make it a little bit more red, I'm going to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Spicy. Ooh, yeah. It is better. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's makeup look and see you guys tomorrow for another makeup look. Bye!